Alright, it's got Hyundai 2000 something. We'll find out in a second here. Oh, will we though? Yes, we will. It is a what? 2011. Alright, so diagnosis earlier. The alternator's not charging the system. It's hanging out around 12 volts with a load on it. So that's not good. So I'm going to go ahead and take the belt off. And it doesn't look overly difficult on this guy as I eat my words. Alright, first things first, the belt is kind of cracked. It's also routed just like a Dodge Journey video that I haven't released yet because I'm still editing it. I bet you there's another bolt right underneath this pulley right down there. And then, yeah, pretty simple. I gotta stop jinxing myself because I know this belt's gonna take longer to get on than getting the alternator out. Alright, so first things first, I'm one step ahead of myself. Yeah, should probably disconnect the negative on the battery lead. What do you think? Yeah, it's a good idea. I agree with myself. Whoa, stay. Do I got my cap here? I do. Alright, now we can proceed with getting my tool unstuck. Let me see if I can get something so you can see the shenanigans I'm about to do. Alright, so just so you know, I am a tripodless YouTuber. I don't have a whole bunch of fancy equipment. You can't even see. Can you see now? Maybe? I have a feeling I'm gonna smack the crap out of my phone. Now, don't use your fancy breaker bars like this. It's just me. Get off of there, you. There we go. And now I got another problem. That one's stuck. Come on. See, it's just a little too big now. That's what she said. Oh. I kind of need this out of the way because I need it out of the way. That's why. Alright. So that worked for one tool, but it didn't work for the unstucking of the other tool. Why didn't I? Okay. So you see, I have to deal with this on a daily basis, and it's me. It is me. Alright, there's 2 bolts, so there's nothing in the way of this one down here. Oh, it's 15s. 15s. 14. 14s. Yes, sir. 14s feel good. Ow. Whoa. Just progressively sliding to the right. Yeah, that's my tripodless setup there. And Not a whole lot of room down here, but if you got 1/4-inch hands, doesn't matter. Shut the door. Oh man, that's on there tight. Probably some. You can already see the pinch nuts, cinch nuts, whatever they're called. Anyway, I'm going to continue with these, struggling with the 2 bolts that I have, and then try to get this connector off. Well, I had some other footage, had me rocking this thing out of here, and then the hood decided to try to eat me by flashlight, and I started cussing, and I think I ruined it all. I don't like the surprise of a hood slamming shut on my head. I don't think anyone else does either. But here we are. Oh, yeah, Jimmy rigged it because I don't have one of those fancy hood props yet. And I know those little vice grips will damage the gas strap. The hood prop is being used by another guy who is also having the same issue of getting eaten by car parts while he's actively under the hood. So, what we got here? Same standard stuff. I got to be careful now because there's a connector on top of the AC. I don't know how fragile that thing is. Man, dude, come on, light. This light from Hyper Tough, it's absolute garbage at staying in one spot. So it's $15. Do not recommend unless you're using it like a pocket flashlight. Alright, so I just went ahead and replaced it with my, what I call the only worthy icon tool I can find is the flashlight that they make. Well, they obviously don't make it, but it's a good light. For $40, you can get them on sale sometimes for $25. That's what I like, cheap tools. But I'm gonna continue. I need hands to do flippy stuff with the thing. Well, I got the connector off. You see how rusted that thing is on there, and I have not been able to crack it loose yet. I'm working on it, but it should be good once. Yeah, hopefully I don't have to do something else to get this thing out. I should not. I'm remaining hopeful. We'll see. Alright, so I did end up moving what appears to be a purge valve out of the way. I pulled this plunger off right here. It hooks up to the flapper thing. I don't know what Hyundai calls it, but there's that. Should give me enough space to pull this busted alternator out. Yeah, sure did. Okay, cool. Oh, that's a nice core. Look at it. Oh, yeah. But, yeah, there it is. I'm going to reverse order, install it, and then, yeah. But before we reverse order install it, what do we do? What do I do? A parts comparison, that's right. Oh, it's a hefty boy. There we go. It's laying like that. It's looking good so far. I don't know, does it look the same? Yes, it does. You better work. You know what I noticed? It doesn't have a new nut on it. It's alright. I'm definitely not reusing this one. Look how yummy it is in there. That'll go on real well. So, we'll go find one. Come on, alternator. Like another weird thing I like to do before before I even put it in, to make sure the hardware fits in the new unit. Because if it doesn't, and you get it all the way in there and then hooked up and everything, you're real frustrated, aren't you? I know. Trust me, I know. So this one fits good right there. It's on the bottom side. The top, however, look at this bolt. I don't want to screw in there at all because it's freaking bent. This is why. Yeah. All right. Enough ranting. But there's been times where I've had these were completely not even the right threads. Oh man, these belts, anyway, it's like the 15th attempt I tried to get it on. You can see how things are going, and I'm flustered. But I ended up routing everything up here first and then trying from the compressor. And there's like not enough space for the tool that I have to actually get this thing fully decompressed. So it's just a fight, but it's on there and it's actually lined up the first time go. I can't complain about that too much. Now I just got to get all the stuff in the back hooked up, but I can reach it now that all this stuff's out of the way. All right, it's all hooked up, batteries plugged in and all that stuff. Test the charging system through my scan tool first. This might take a minute, but I already got my battery tester hooked up, so we're gonna go try that first. I just want to yes. Can you see it? Of course not. There it is. It's already looking better. Oh, wrong button. Oh yeah, much gooder. I was gonna ask us to go. Really? Nice. So we're gonna hold it at 2,500 for however many seconds it said. I think it said 5. Oh, it's getting squirrely. There we go. That's good. And continue, please. Wow. Where's it for? Oh. Charging normal. That's good. All right. I'm going to go put a load on the system. USA, please. I don't know. System select. I'm just gonna go straight to the live data here. This is the one we're monitoring. Graph, please. All right. First, I'm gonna turn the lights on. Looks good. Brights. Not the blinkers. No. Okay, whatever. Just blink away. Air conditioning. Max AC, please. And some tunes. Oh no. Yeah. What do you think? I think it's working. It's charging gooder. It was only doing like 12 volts before, just at idle. Alright. Thank God that part worked. Okay, shutting it down. Alright, that's the end of this one. I'll see y'all.